Welcome to this quick video on deleting blank rows really easily in Microsoft Excel. So I want to show you a nice little trick that works on Mac or Windows PCs. If you've got a table like mine where I've got a few blank rows in there, now I've only got a small table and I can probably do this manually, but if you've got lots of data and maybe you've copied and pasted it in and you've got lots of empty blank rows because of the way it's been pulled in because of formatting, and you just want to clean and tidy it up, there's a very quick way you can use to select those blank rows and then you can just delete them really nicely. So what I'm going to do is select my table and then I'm going to use the shortcut Control and G. And that's going to bring up a little dialog box there, and what I want to do is select Special. And I'm going to select blanks because I want it to highlight the blank rows, the blank cells available. So I'm going to click on OK, and I can see there that I have the 4 blank rows selected. What I'm going to do now is just right click and I'm going to select delete, and my options give me a couple of there. I'm going to delete the entire rows because I want to get rid of those rows on my Excel to tidy up my table. So when I click OK, you can see they've now disappeared. If I click away, I've just got the rows there that have data on them. So remember that shortcut. Once you've selected your data, it's Control and G, and then you can go to Special and select blanks, and it will just highlight your blank cells, your blank rows, and then you can right click and delete rather than having to select them all manually. So super quick way of just selecting those blanks and getting rid of them to tidy up your data. Please do have a go at that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.